Hi everyone. Easter is literally this weekend here in Berlin, and the supermarkets are packed with regular, boring chocolate bunnies. But you know me, I had to give the classic Germany Osterhase a massive TheMonaZine update. Today, we are creating an Indian fusion Easter bunny. Instead of regular fur, I decided to cover this guy traditional Indian mandala patterns. Drawing these tiny details is honestly like a meditation for me. It takes patience, but watching it all come together is the best feeling. I wanted him to look almost royal, which is why I added those floral frames and the moon at the top. To make him really pop, I added this bold, striking red mandala halo behind him. As I was drawing this, I started wondering if an Indian fusion bunny came to your home for Easter, what would he leave in your basket? Instead of chocolate eggs, maybe he hide a box of laddus or a samosas. What do you think? Tell me in the comment right now. Would you rather find chocolate eggs or spicy samosa hidden in your garden? Honestly, I am in the team samosas. And tada! Look at him. He is officially ready to hop around Berlin. I am so obsessed with how this black, white, and red contrast turning out. If you also enjoyed watching this fusion piece come to life, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing, relaxing Easter weekend. Eat lots of good food, and I will see you in the next video. Tada! Happy Easter! Bye bye!